In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use images in HubSpot content. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add an image to one of your website pages inside the HubSpot editor. First, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account and that you have the right permissions to edit website pages. Once you're in the main HubSpot dashboard, look for the main navigation menu at the top. There, click on the option labeled Content. This is where HubSpot keeps all the tools related to your website, blog, apps, and other assets. After you click Content, a drop-down or side menu will appear. From that list, choose Website Pages. This section shows all the pages that exist on your site, including live pages and drafts. It may take a moment to load if you have a lot of content, so just wait until you see the full list. Next, take a moment to scan through your website pages and select the one you want to edit. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find a specific page by name. When you've found the correct page, hover your mouse over it and click on the page title to open it in the editor. The page editor will load, showing a preview of your page and the layout of your content modules. To add a new image, move your cursor to the area where you'd like the image to appear. Look for a small plus sign icon, usually near or between existing modules. Click on this plus sign to add a new module to your page. A panel will open with different types of modules you can add. Find and click on the section labeled Media. This category contains everything related to images, video, and other media elements. When the media options expand, click on Image. This tells HubSpot that you want to insert an image module in that spot on the page. Once you've added the image module, HubSpot will prompt you to choose an image. At this point, you can drag and drop an image file directly from your computer into the upload area. After the image uploads, you can select it, adjust its size and alignment, and add alt text to improve accessibility and SEO. When you're happy with how the image looks, remember to save your changes and then update or publish the page so the new image appears on your live site.